What's up, guys? Back in Denver once again, like spur of the moment trip. We rented a car on an app called Turo, no affiliation. But yeah, if it's here, we have a little white 328 BMW. White sorority girl special up the mountain, dude.
Sorority girl starter pack.
Woo! Also, I'm gonna be making a couple videos while I'm up here because I've been slacking. But I have like 7 days off work, so might as well as get some content out. So let's find this damn car. Bro, I wish that was us. That's honestly, I would love to have my Raptor up here. It's a parking garage east, not west. My bad, dude. We just walked all the way to the wrong side of the airport. All right, now there's all kinds of 3 Series. The question is, which is ours? That's it. Let's get this show on the road. Change of plans. We got to eat first, and then we'll go up the mountain. Alright guys, obviously it's a day later. Excuse if it sounds like I have like a lisp or something. My lips are so chapped right now, it fucking hurts. We're in Winter Park this morning. We're gonna go get some snowboarding in. Taylor's in the gas station. But today I'm just gonna take it easy, get back into the groove of things. A lot of people don't know this, but I've been snowboarding for a long time. And I'm gonna be here for like 5 days, and then I'm back again at the end of January. But today, just taking it easy, not gonna take the camera out. Anyway, the title of this video is My Biggest Fear, or something along those lines. For some reason, my videos in Colorado always do terrible. I've gotten used to it at this point. If I'm in Colorado, my views and my subscriber growth just die. So I figured I'd do a little social experiment and clickbait it a little bit. So what's my biggest fear? Getting stuck with a BMW 3 Series for a week. That is up there. But in all reality, flying. I hate planes. And that's why I thought I'd talk about it in this video, because the beginning of the video is me flying up to Colorado. I don't have a fear of heights. I don't even have a fear of like turbulence or anything like that. I have a fear of not being in control, if that makes any sense. And an airplane is like the perfect example where I have no control of what's happening. I can't open the door, I can't get off. God forbid something happened to the plane, I am in zero control. I can't get off, I can't do anything. And I had a panic attack when I was little flying to Alaska, which is like a 12 or 13 hour flight. And ever since then, I hate flying. And I'm a big advocate of like, just get out in front of whatever you're scared of, right? Like I'm scared of spiders, so I held a tarantula recently. I used to be scared of snakes, so I owned a couple pythons. Scared of sharks, I want to go cage diving. But point is, if I'm scared of something, I typically just jump right into it, and then you get over your fear. And flying is the only thing I haven't been able to like apply that to. Like to this day, I've probably flown 20 times this year, and every time I get on an airplane, I'm still like a little anxious, a little on edge. So hopefully I get over it, because I would love to go to Australia and New Zealand. It's just a long flight, and I hate flying. I'm gonna grab an energy drink, and then let's head to the mountain. Starbucks has officially just, I've given up on that. So Red Bull, if you want to send a sponsorship my way, that's what that super douchey slow motion sequence was. Yeah. All right, guys, we're gonna go snowboard for a little while. God damn it. Speak. The whole morning I've been like stuttering, and I was trying to tell the guy that I bought some new pants. I was trying to tell him which pants I wanted. I just couldn't speak. Like, I don't know if my mouth's just like frozen or what. Anyway, we're gonna go snowboard for a while, and I'll see you guys when we get back. Change of plans, like drastic change of plans. We went snowboarding yesterday. Worst conditions, worst snowboarding, skiing day I've ever had in my life. I think you would probably agree.
Agreed.
We spent like 7 hours taking 2 runs. We got stuck, we had to take a shuttle. It was bad. There's no snow up here. There's like 25, 30 inches. It was windy. It blew all the snow that there was on the mountain off the mountain. There was just ice. Not the best conditions. So
we almost got blown off a chairlift.
We legitimately, our chairlift was like almost upside down. It was a terrifying experience. On top of that, the forecast, there's just, well, I say that it's fucking snowing right now, like just our luck. but it wasn't supposed to snow, and I don't think they're going to get enough anyway to really make a difference. So our options were to sit in the house for 3 days because you can't really go skiing anymore, or head back to Houston for New Year's Eve, so at least we can go party for New Year's Eve and hang out New Year's, and then I can actually get some work done because I wasn't originally going to get home till Wednesday night. Now I'll be home today. So yeah, super eventful, uneventful trip, and probably vlog as well. But even better, I'm flying twice in the same vlog, so now I can get my thumbnail of me in the airplane at the airport because I forgot on the way here.
Dude, whose kids are these? There's no parents anywhere. Kids having a party in the middle of the...
This is where I'm going to wrap up this video at the Denver airport. I guess we're going to go home and party. That's the plan. I think Christian's having a house party. We didn't even tell him we're coming home. Hopefully they want us there. This could be really awkward if we get there and there's like signs that are like, thank God they're gone. Like, fuck these guys. But anyway, yeah, this is where I'm going to wrap up this video. And also where I'm going to wrap up the year, because the next time you guys see a video from me, it'll be 2018. And when you're watching this, it'll probably be 2018. So hopefully you had a great New Year's Eve. Don't get too fucked up, or maybe do, depending on who you are. I'll be back in Colorado the 31st of January with Taylor. You're coming, right?
Yeah.
And Max Tuning's joining us, so we're gonna go make some cool edits, and I'll give you guys a snowboarding montage then. But for now, have a happy New Year, and I'll catch you guys in 2018.